Hello friends, welcome you all. So in today's lecture we will see another normal form of CFG, which is Greibach Normal Form, or in short you can call it GNF. So first I will tell you what kind of productions are allowed in this form, and then we will take one example grammar and will convert it into GNF. So here you can see, my friends, here only this kind of productions are allowed where a gives a alpha, where a is a single variable in the left hand side, and in the right hand side all productions will be starting from one terminal, and then this alpha may be any string of variables. Alpha may be any string of variables. So here I can represent it like this. So only these kind of productions are allowed in GNF, and as you can see, alpha is clean closure of variable. So it may be epsilon also. It may be epsilon also. In case it is epsilon, so it will become a gives small a. So and this is one more kind of production that are allowed in Greibach normal form. Now the same condition is here also. Like if your grammar is generating epsilon, then you can have at most one production with epsilon. And before converting any grammar into GNF, you must ensure that there is no epsilon production or unit productions in the grammar. So I will take one example grammar, and then we will convert this into GNF. So now friends, this is one example grammar, and here you can see in this particular grammar, four terminals are there, three variables, four variables are there, and this grammar is also having one epsilon production and two unit productions. So now first we need to remove both epsilon production and unit production, then we can convert this into GNF. So one more thing friend, if your grammar is having left recursion, then in order to convert it into GNF, you need to remove this left recursion also. So and this particular grammar is not having left recursion, so we will first remove epsilon production, then unit production, and then we will convert it to GNF. So first we will try to remove this epsilon production. So now as A is giving epsilon, so we need to see all the productions where B is at right, A is at right hand side. So now you can see, my friend, I can remove this production, and here I will replace all A in right hand side with epsilon, and I will add the new production which are getting generated. So in this particular production, if we put A as epsilon, then it will gives us as gives B. So this production will be generated. Then in this particular production, if I replace A with epsilon, then it will give us A gives A. So now we have removed the epsilon production. Now you can see, my friend, now we have three unit production here. B gives D, A gives B, and S gives B. So now you can see how we will remove all these unit production one by one. So first we will remove this B gives D. Now how we can remove this production B gives D from here? So I can replace this D with all its productions. So as D is giving generating only small d, so I will replace this small capital D with small d. So this would be, now this particular production is removed. You can remove this production from this grammar. So now after removing this particular unit production, the grammar is like this. Now we have two more unit production, like S gives B and A gives B. So now in order to remove both these productions, what we can see, we can generate all productions of B with S directly and with A directly. So this would be like, so I can remove this, and in place of this I can directly generate E and D with S. Now here also with A we can generate all productions of B. So like I can write it E and D. So now you can see, my friend, all production of unit productions are removed from this grammar. All unit productions are removed from this grammar. Now, friend, the only thing you need to see now, you need to check now how many productions are there already in GNF. So in this particular grammar, you can see how many productions are there. Four productions, then four productions, and two productions. Six productions are there now. Now this particular production is having two variable in the right hand side, no terminals. So this is not in GNF. This is in GNF. This is in GNF as it is allowed in GNF. So this is also in GNF. This is also in GNF. A alpha is allowed. So this is in GNF. All productions are in GNF except one. So now how to convert this particular production into GNF, that we will see. Now how would you convert this particular production into GNF? So we can see here at right hand side we have A at first position. We have A at first position. So we can replace this A with all its production which are already in GNF. So now I will replace this A with all its production. So the new grammar will be like this, as gives, as gives first this A, B. Then second is A, B. Then third is E, B. Then fourth is D, B. Now these four productions we have created for S by replacing A with all its production. Now remaining production of S will be as it is. So there would be B, then E, then D. So now we have seven productions of S here. Now A production of A are small a, capital A, then E, then D, then production of B are small e and small d. Now you can see, my friend, all these productions are in GNF. All these productions are in GNF as all are starting from terminal and are having any combination of variable, any string of variable, and this string may be epsilon also. So we have only terminals in the right hand side. So all these productions are in now GNF. So this is the equivalent grammar to the original grammar that we have taken for the conversion into GNF. So now I hope, friend, it would be very much clear to all of you. And if you have any doubt, you can always write to me in comments. I will definitely reply your comment. Thank you. Thank you so much.